Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on some hotels that are being built in Jamaica. Now, a lot of development is going on in Jamaica and the tourism industry is expanding. So these hotels are some of the largest that are under construction in Jamaica. And Jamaica is on track to build 20,000 hotel rooms over the next few years. Alright, guys, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the construction of these hotels.
Jamaica is renowned for its rich array of attractions and activities for all interests. Visitors can explore the stunning Dunn's River Falls, hike in the Blue Mountains, dive in Negril's crystal-clear waters, or enjoy the vibrant nightlife and music scene in Kingston. Additionally, Jamaica offers unique cultural experiences, such as visiting museums and historical sites, as well as tasting the delicious local cuisine famous for its jerk chicken and Blue Mountain coffee. Investment in Jamaica's tourism industry has reached new heights, with existing hotel companies expanding their presence and new investors ready to build new properties. These developments signify expansion and demonstrate our commitment to offering world-class hospitality experiences to visitors from around the world, added Minister Bartlett. Construction start dates or development plans are in place for thousands of additional rooms. Princess Resorts will add another 1,000 rooms to complement their existing offerings. Grand Palladium Lucia will expand with 1,000 additional rooms. And further west, the Wyndham brand will re-emerge in Jamaica with the construction of Viva Wyndham, featuring just under 1,000 rooms north of Negril. Progress continues on the 1,100 rooms at Hard Rock in Montego Bay. Secrets is expanding with over 100 new suites, and a significant new resort with 1,285 rooms, whose name has yet to be revealed, is also planned for the island's tourism capital. Tourism development continues in Trelawney with major hotel brands like Harmony Cove, Planet Hollywood, and the expansion of the H10 resort. Bahia Principe in St. Anne is undertaking a multifaceted expansion project that includes villas, condominiums, hotel rooms, a PGA-certified golf course, a fishing village, and housing for tourism workers, all using a broadly environmentally sustainable development approach. Secrets will develop a 700...
So that's the end of the update article. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below and remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.